Jamestown. If you ever knew what plans I have for you. If you ever knew. I wonder what's keeping my ever-faithful, loyal Chop-Chop. Quiet, you monster!
We got her, boss. Boys will be here with her real quick. What a beautiful lady. Oy vey!
A perfect trap for our Mr. James Hound, eh, Chop-Chop?
Hello, James Hound here. Oh, it's you, Miss Q. Any messages? My laundry came back. Any other cases? The Statue of Liberty missing. You're putting me on. You're not putting me on. Could you give me a description? Tall, one hand up. Any scars? Oh, yeah, it's only a statue. Well, somebody must have hit it. I know it couldn't walk away. Or could it? I'll drop down for clues. Bye. Yep, it sure is missing, all right. I'm convinced of that. Uh-oh. Recorded especially for the world's greatest, most handsome, modest investigator. Obviously, they mean me.
Your precious statue is at my secret headquarters in the Grand Canyon, but you'll never live to find it. When you hear the musical tone, it will be your finish. This was a recorded announcement.
Miss Q, I think I have a clue. What's that? My voice sounds distorted. Are you kidding? I'm distorted all over. It's a good thing I was wearing my asbestos underwear, or you'd be talking to my ashes.
That James Hound is superhuman. Chop-Chop, step 2 in the destruction of James Hound. Ready. Program plan 263-475-093210 573-26897-1/02-312.
Now we find if this is good friend. Friend, no good.
Someone's approaching. It must be Hound. Prepare to attack.
Tall, one arm up. Well, unless that sitting bull's standing up. That's the old girl. Good thing I have on my hat parachute. I must tell Miss Q to sew a new button on that chin strap. Don't move anyone. I've got you covered.
Go get him, Chop-Chop.
All right, Tiny. Hold it right there. I'm an expert at karate, you know.
Yeah, yeah. Me, yeah, yeah, you. Yeah.
Miss Q, Hound here. Tell the chief I found the statue, and I'm just about finished out here. And maybe everywhere.
Where are you, Hound? Come out, wherever you are. Come out, you coward, or are you too afraid?
Glad to oblige, Mr. Big.
Yeah! Let me know when you've had enough!
ready to call it quits, Mr. Big?
Get him, monster!
I hate you! I hate you! Him I like! You I hate!
Miss Q? Hound here. Case closed. I have Mr. Big's full confession. He gave it to me himself. I'll read it. What? What's that? What'd you say? Don't open letter. It's a booby trap. Mm-hmm.